Hey guys, so today is going to be a tutorial on this teal and purple graphic winged eyeliner. So first I'm taking my Urban Decay priming potion and I'm just going to prime my eyelid. After that, I'm going into my Beauties Factory 120 palette, and I'm taking this matte teal color with this smoky eye brush, and I'm just putting that down as a base. Then in the same palette, I'm going to take a shimmery teal color, and I'm just going to pack that all over the lid as well. After that, I'm going in with my NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner in Vivid Violet to create the wing. I always take my time with the wings because my left eye is always hard to get even to my right eye. After that, I'm going to take my Stargazer UV liner and I'm going to start creating the graphic line along the crease. And I'm just going to keep going back into the liner to get the desired amount of color that I want on the line. After that, I'm going to take my Kate Rimmel London eyeshadow crayon in pure turquoise, and I'm going to put that all over the bottom lash line and waterline. And then just to kind of make the bottom pop a little bit more and match the top, I'm going to create a line with the fuchsia UV liner in the corner near the tear duct. Now with my Bad Gal Bang mascara, I'm just going to do my lashes. Taking this random Forever 21 blush in this Ion Beauty brush, I'm just going to put that on my cheeks, you know the drill. Then taking my Physicians Formula highlighter in rose gold, I'm also going to put that on my cheeks. And then taking my Essence lip gloss in Frosted Pink, we're going to put that all over the lips. And yeah, that pretty much completes this graphic winged liner. I hope you like this tutorial. If you want to see more like it, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!